Question: did quarantine throw you off track? Have you been emotionally eating and avoiding exercise? Today I've got step 4 of 7 in my plan to help you bounce back from those quarantine pounds and get you into your best body ever. Step 4 is called strengthen your commitment. How many times have you tried to lose weight, tone up, or increase your stamina, only to give up a week or two later? We live in a commitment-phobic world, so it's no wonder that you routinely abandon your goals. If you truly want to reach your fitness goal, though, fit in that outfit or outlook your rival, then your commitment to the process is a must. The margin between success and failure is bridged by your commitment. If you haven't reached your goal yet, guess what? You're not done. Stay at it. Treat exercise with the same importance as a work meeting or a dental appointment, and you'll never skip it at the last minute. Find a minimum of 3 available 30-minute time slots in your schedule. Mark them on your calendar. Now stick to your schedule. If you don't give up, if you're persistent, then you'll never fail. You cannot help but succeed. Get serious about your results and begin the last weight management program that you'll ever need to do. Call or email me today to get started. Details in either my bio or in the comment section below. Train well, be intentional, and have faith. Bye for now.